Good morning, students. Today we are starting this new chapter, weather, climate, and animal adaptations. In this chapter, we will read about these three points. First, weather. Second, climate, and third, what are the effects of weather and climate on different organisms, which are called adaptations. Now, weather. Weather is actually the particular condition of a particular place at a particular time. This is called short time period. It can change in a single day or it can change even in 1 hour also. For example, if you get up in the morning, you will find that it is very sunny and hot. The sun is brightly shining in the sky. After some time, it may be cloudy, and after that humidity will increase and suddenly rainfall can start, and after that the weather can be cold. In this manner, weather can change in a single day. Now, what are the elements of a weather? These are the elements which affect the weather. First, change in temperature, humidity and relative humidity, rainfall and wind. Change in temperature. If temperature is high, the weather will be very hot and dry also, and if the temperature is low, the weather will be cold. So the particular temperature of a place affect the weather condition of that area or place. Second is humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in air, and this affect the weather conditions. If humidity is more, there are more chances of rainfall, and if humidity is less, the weather will be dry. So, this humidity is calculated with the help of relative humidity. Relative humidity is counted in calculated in percentage, and relative humidity is the ratio of water vapor present in the air to the maximum amount of water vapor which can air hold of that place. So this is called relative humidity, and if relative humidity is more nearly to 100%, there are more chances of rainfall. Now, rainfall, as I already discussed with you, more humidity, more chances of rainfall. So rainfall is related with humidity. Next is wind. As meteorological department also show you the direction or speed of wind which affect the weather condition of that particular place. If the wind speed and wind direction is from polar region to equator, the wind will be cold and it will create cold weather, and if it is in opposite direction, that is from equator to polar region, it will bring hot air with it, and this cause hot temperature, hot weather then. Now, climate. Climate, this is the weather condition of a particular place but for long time period. It is actually the average weather condition of a particular area. For example, if we talk about Rajasthan, we will say our climate is hot and dry. And if we talk about the climatic condition of a polar region, we will say that is very cold. Climatic conditions are available there. Now, some factors are there which will affect the climatic condition of areas. First is latitude. Latitude is the distance from the equator of the earth. Now, what is equator? Equator is the middle part of the earth, which it is an imaginary line. This is called equator. It is an imaginary line which will divide the earth into two parts. And how far any area is from this equator, it is determined with the help of latitude. On the basis of latitude, our earth is divided mainly into three climatic zones. These are torrid zone, frigid zone and temperate zone. As you see in this picture, torrid zone. This is the region which is near the equator, and as it is near the equator, it will get the sunlight directly. The sun rays will fall in straight direction on these parts of the earth, and so the torrid zone is very hot and humid also. Now frigid zone. This zone is near the poles of the earth, and in this frigid zone temperature will be very low because the sun rays will fall on it in slanting position. Now third is temperate zone. This is the middle part between torrid zone and frigid zone. On the temperate zone, the weather condition will be moderate, so temperature will, because temperature is moderate there. This temperate zone is again can be divided into two parts. First part, which is near to equator, is hot temperate zone, and another which is near to polar region is cold temperate zone. Now, second is altitude. Altitude means height of any place from the sea level. The places which are at more height from the sea level, they are very cold. These are mountainous region, and the places which are near to sea level, these are not as cold as the places found on high altitude. Now, third is closeness to sea. The places which are very close to sea, near to sea, they have moderate conditions. This means the areas which are found near the oceans or near the sea, these are also called coastal areas. They will have moderate climatic conditions. Now, second, the places which are very farther from the sea, during summer season they are very hot, the temperature will be high and dry conditions will be there, and the temperature in winter season the temperature will be very low, so cold season is there. Now, wind again determine the climatic conditions. The directions of the wind and the speed of wind both together determine the climatic condition of that area. Now, how sun effect on weather and climate? Sun rays, if fall on any place in straight condition, then their temperature will be high and the hot summer days will be there mostly. And the places near the equator on which the sun rays fall straight, their temperature is nearly high, and in summer days the days are very longer and the nights are very shorter. And the places farther from the equator, as we go near the polar region, here the sun rays will fall in slanting position, and here the almost cold weather is found. Here the sun rays will fall in slanting directions. In this manner, sun affects the weather and climatic conditions. Now we will differentiate between weather and climate. Weather is the state of atmospheric condition at a particular place at a given time, while climate is the average weather condition of a place over a long period of time. Weather changes every day and may change several times a day, while climate generally remains unchanged for a few days. Weather conditions depend on temperature, humidity and rainfall of a place, but climate of a place depends on altitude, latitude, distance from the sea and wind. Thank you.